Proper nouns. Definition. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, holidays, or even things. What makes them special? They always start with a capital letter and point to something unique. Proper nouns. People. John, John. Sarah, Sarah. Albert Einstein, Albert Einstein. William Shakespeare, William Shakespeare. Marie Curie, Marie Curie. Elon Musk, Elon Musk. Florence Nightingale, Florence Nightingale. Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Martin Luther King Jr., Martin Luther King Jr. Cleopatra, Cleopatra. Leonardo da Vinci, Leonardo da Vinci. Alexander the Great, Alexander the Great. Queen Elizabeth II, Queen Elizabeth II. Barack Obama, Barack Obama. Nikola Tesla, Nikola Tesla. Cristiano Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo. Serena Williams, Serena Williams. Frida Kahlo, Frida Kahlo. Exercise time. Ready? Let's go. Exercise. Underline the proper nouns. People. Leonardo da Vinci painted the famous Mona Lisa. Albert Einstein developed the theory of relativity. Proper nouns. Places. London, London. Paris, Paris. New York City, New York City. Mount Everest, Mount Everest. Sydney, Sydney. Tokyo, Cairo, Tokyo, Cairo. Rio de Janeiro, Rio de Janeiro. Los Angeles, Los Angeles. Dubai, Dubai. Mumbai, Mumbai. Rome, Rome. Berlin, Rome. Bangkok, Bangkok. Cape Town, Cape Town. Exercise. Underline the proper nouns. Places. I have always wanted to visit Tokyo and Kyoto in Japan. London is a bustling city with a rich history. We spent our summer vacation in Paris and Rome. Proper nouns. Holidays. Christmas, Christmas. Diwali. Independence Day, Independence Day. Ramadan, Ramadan. Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day. Mother's Day, Mother's Day. Father's Day, Father's Day. St. Patrick's Day, St. Patrick's Day. Good Friday, Good Friday. Veterans Day, Veterans Day. Labor Day, Labor Day. Memorial Day, Memorial Day. Children's Day, Children's Day. Earth Day, Earth Day. Exercise. Underline the proper nouns. Holidays. We celebrate Christmas with a big family dinner every year. Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday because of the delicious food. On New Year's Eve, we watch fireworks to welcome the new year. Proper nouns. Time. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturdays. Saturdays. Sunday. Sunday. January. January. February. February. March. March. April. April. May. May. June. June. July and August. August. September and October. October. November. November. December. December. Exercise. Underline the proper nouns. Time. Monday is always a busy day at work. We are planning a trip to the beach in August. December is my favorite month because of the holiday decorations. Congrats on finishing this lesson. If you're ready to level up your grammar, I've put together a Master Noun Series playlist link in the description. Trust me, if you complete this series, you'll have nouns mastered and you won't need to watch any other videos after that. I challenge you to take the 3-day Master Noun Challenge. Your grammar skills will never be the same. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Q.L.English Pro. And don't forget to hit the bell for even more exciting lessons coming your way. Take care, keep learning, and see you in the next lesson.